Taking your car to the shop can be a nerve-wracking experience. The costs associated with repairs, lack of automotive expertise, and relying on a mechanic to take care of everything are pain points for many car owners. But when you have an OBD2 scanner on hand, you can narrow down the possibilities of what's going on inside your car beforehand. And because there are many car problems that you can diagnose and fix on your own, an OBD2 scanner might even save you a trip or two to the shop. Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar, and today we are going to talk about the ThinkOBD 100, an OBD2 scanner by ThinkCar, the makers of the popular ThinkDiag and ThinkPlus. OBD2 stands for Onboard Diagnostics 2, and is a standardized system in trucks and cars that regulates and monitors the vehicle's main functions. And to understand the data gathered by your vehicle's OBD2, you will need an OBD2 scanner. An OBD2 scanner is essentially a device that allows you or your mechanic to pinpoint glitches and problems in your vehicle instead of just guessing. The ThinkOBD 100 is the entry-level OBD2 scan tool in the lineup of ThinkCar's products. Just like the ThinkCar 1S, the ThinkOBD 100 is designed for personal vehicle owners and DIY mechanics. The difference between the two products is the ThinkOBD 100 comes with a built-in screen, while the ThinkCar 1S requires the use of a smartphone app. If you're a car owner who is looking for an easy-to-use tool to verify repairs or to understand more about your vehicle's overall health and solve basic vehicle maintenance quickly, then the ThinkOBD 100 is the perfect little tool you need in your toolbox. The ThinkOBD 100 sports a grippy, industrial design. It measures 4 inches by 3 inches by 1 inch and weighs less than half a pound. That's relatively the same size, if not smaller than most smartphones, allowing the ThinkOBD 100 to fit comfortably in your glove box. A simple 4-button navigation paired with the high luminance 1.77-inch built-in screen allows for simple viewing and operation. The ThinkOBD 100 is extremely easy to use. First off, you have to turn off the power of your vehicle and plug the scanner into your vehicle's OBD2 port. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle, you'll most likely find your vehicle's OBD2 port right underneath the dashboard, just left of the steering wheel. Some vehicles' OBD2 port might be located on the passenger side, behind a latch, or contain a protective cover. If your vehicle was made after 1996, it will definitely have an OBD2 port. Once you have the ThinkOBD 100 connected, power up your car and wait for it to boot up. There's nothing else you need to do. The ThinkOBD 100 will power up automatically. Here's the loading screen. And there's the main menu. As you can see, it loads up pretty quickly. In the setup menu, you'll find the options for setting up the language and the unit of measure, either imperial or metric. Now we're ready, so let's select Diagnose. Here you can see the OBD 100 will start scanning. Once the scan is completed, you'll see the status of the many systems within your vehicle. All information will be displayed on the screen. Using the scroll keys, you can go in and perform other functions. The ThinkOBD 100 supports full OBD2 diagnostic functions like read and clear codes, IM readiness, data stream, freeze frame, O2 oxygen sensor tests, onboard monitor tests, evap system tests, and reading vehicle information. So let's take a look at the IM readiness test. See, it checks the status of emissions-related and fuel-related systems and tells you if the vehicle will pass a smog check or not. The O2 oxygen sensor tests are designed to monitor the amount of oxygen that's in your car's exhaust stream. So basically, you know if the vehicle will pass or not. If the ThinkOBD 100 found any problems in your vehicle, it will provide you with the trouble codes, or what they call fault codes. The ThinkOBD 100 comes with a built-in fault code library, which you can access from the lookup option on the main menu. So let's test it out by typing in a code. If you need to change the P, Simply use the scroll down button to change it. Use the scroll up button to jump to the next field. Let's punch in the code P0401 and then we will press OK. And voila! We have a fault code for an exhaust gas recirculation flow problem. Better get that fixed. With the help of the code lookup library, you no longer have to search over the internet if you don't know what a fault code means. Another function that the ThinkOBD 100 supports is live data stream. Let's check what data it gives us. As you can see, it gives you pretty much all the basic data you need to take a quick peek into your vehicle, including load PCT, ECT, and other information about the lumbar sensor, MAF sensors, and more. There's up to 16 pages of data, so if there's any sensor that is not working in your vehicle, you'll be able to tell right away. The live data stream is a pretty handy function. Say you're a mechanic and you want to take a look at some quick data. Certain vehicles don't have ECT readings right on the dashboard, but with the ThinkOBD 100, no problem. You can easily pull up the data right on the screen and see what the ECT sensor is reading. Or maybe there's a fault in the EGR wall you can easily find out using the ThinkOBD 100. So, to sum it all up, so far so good. Everything seems to be working fine. The ThinkOBD 100 is extremely easy to use, and for the price of it, there shouldn't be a reason why you don't just keep one in your car. The ThinkOBD 100 diagnostic scan tool is now available at BlackboxMyCar. We've included a link underneath in the description below. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Until next time, safe driving!